Hi everyone, welcome back to Grade 1 Theory. This is the third video on beaming and stem direction, and this has proved to be a little harder to explain in a brief video than I thought. But a few more tips on stem direction. So if you have two notes that are over the middle line, just two notes. In the last video I talked about 4 notes. If you have 2 notes, how does that work? Okay, so the rule here is that the note that's furthest from the middle line, that's the stem direction you would take for that set of notes. So in this case, the D would take a stem direction going up because it's below the line, and that is the stem direction of the second note as well. So the note that's furthest from that middle line, that's the stem direction you take. Let's do another one. So in this case, this note here is further from the middle line, and then this one, its stem direction would be down, and so you would put 2 down lines on each note and beam them together for stem direction. So that is stem direction just for 2 notes that occur over the middle line. Lastly, just a tip. In grade 1, what they're looking for is they're looking for the crotchet beat, and that is the beat they are looking to be beamed within all the time signatures. Remember, the time signatures are only 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. And what they're looking for you to do is beam the notes within each beat. So it's worth looking at just the permutations of a crotchet beat. How many different rhythms can a crotchet beat be divided into? These are the common ones. It could be divided into semiquavers, 4 semiquavers. It could be divided into 2 semiquavers and a quaver, or a quaver and 2 semiquavers, right? The other way around. Sorry, these are a little too long. Right, here are some other permutations of beaming for the crotchet. You can get a rhythm that looks like this. Now in grade 1, very often you're not familiar with what music looks like. Later on, once you've read a lot of music, you start to go, oh, I've seen that before and how that goes. You can get a crotchet divided up like this with a semiquaver in front and the semiquaver at the back end of the beaming. So 2 semiquavers make up a quaver, and of course there's another quaver in the middle, and that would make up a crotchet. All right. This is another permutation of the crotchet beat in a beaming context. The dotted quaver with the semiquaver attached. So over here, theoretically, you have 2 little lines that are making up the semiquaver. The quaver is half of the crotchet, and the dot is half of the quaver. So it's a quaver plus 2 semiquavers, and they make up quaver, and that makes up a crotchet. So just have a look at all the permutations that you can get, all the ways that a crotchet can be broken up for beaming. That could help you recognize the beaming in the test. Okay, thank you.